Hello friends, today's video is PR unboxing. Happy Friday. I'm so excited to dive into everything this week. I have so many fun packages. I know I say that a lot, but I have some really exciting ones in here, so why don't we go ahead and get started. As I'm filming this today, I'm just so excited because I am attending the launch party for this new collection here. I'm so proud of my friend Samantha. She came out with her second collaboration with OFRA Cosmetics, and I'm just so pumped about this. So we're having a little Zoom party later, and I just think I'm just so excited. I'm so happy for her. I actually filmed with this yesterday. I did a full collection review, which you guys will see on Monday when this collection launches. I'm going to put that out, but I try out everything in that video, so you'll see it. But she did send over her PR package right here, which, oops, we're losing some of this stuff. It has the cutest stickers in here, you guys. Like, I absolutely love how they did these. They're like adorable. Look at her little dog. Like, is that not so cute? I love this. So they have like the stickers. So we have the Life's Draft palette right here. So this one is an eyeshadow palette slash face palette. So inside of it you have 8 different eyeshadows and then 3 different face products. There's a bronzer, highlighter, and also a blush, and then all of these really pretty purple shades. It's such a gorgeous palette. I love the look I came up with this. So you guys will see that video on Monday with like swatches, everything like that. And they also launched new lip glosses, which is also so exciting. So you have a lip gloss trio in there. So this is her existing lip gloss Millie, and then she has 2 new shades, Peony and then also Queen. Super fun launch here. I'm so excited for my friend. I cannot wait for everyone to get their hands on this. I think you guys are gonna love it. So stay tuned Monday for that review. And thank you, Samantha, for sending it over to me. So proud of you. And I just can't get over the illustrations. Like, whoever their graphic designer is amazing. Like, look at the PR box right here. So pretty. I love this. Next up we have this massive box right here, which is humongous. And I was like, who is this from? Because it's so long. Okay, it says we live for longer days. Oh, it's from Liquid AP. I was like, who is this from? I love this right here, like the clouds, very summer-esque. So this is from Liquid IV. If you guys have not tried their products, I highly recommend, especially for me right now with pregnancy. They've been really great for me. They sent over a bunch of different flavors. So if you haven't heard of this before, it's essentially an electrolyte drink. But what's really cool about it is it actually, it's supposed to equal out to 3 bottles of water. So it just comes in like one little pouch. You dump it in your water, and then it's supposed to give you like the hydration of 3 bottles of water. So if you're needing like an extra pick-me-up, I know this would be great if you're like feeling hungover or something. I know this would be great, but especially in pregnancy, I feel like we get so dehydrated and you need to drink so much water. So this is kind of perfect for me. I've been drinking the, gosh, what flavor is it that I love? It's the lemon lime, I think it's called. That one tastes really good. It actually kind of tastes like Mountain Dew, but I see in here the strawberry one. I've been wanting to try this one. I hear this is everyone's like absolute favorite. So we have a strawberry in here, tangerine, lemon ginger, and then also blueberry lavender. So the hydration multipliers are the ones that are going to give you more water, but then they also have other options. So we have the energy multiplier, and that one's going to be more of like an energy drink. And then we have the sleep multiplier, which is supposed to help you go to sleep as well. So 2 different options there. I haven't tried either one of those. I don't think they're safe for pregnancy, so I haven't tried those, but I have tried the hydration multiplier and really like that one. Also a little pouch here that they included. I do have a coupon code with them if you want to purchase any of their products. It's Makeup Molly. It will save you, I believe it's 25%, so it's a pretty high coupon code off any of their products, but I do recommend. I've really been enjoying them. Next in here, I have something from JOAH. I really enjoy the brand JOAH. They said, hey JOAH Brave, enjoy the new JOAH products. Thank you for being a fan. Can't wait to see the looks you create. So that is from them. And they are a K-beauty inspired brand. You can find them exclusively at CVS. I have so many favorite products from them. I absolutely just love their mascara is really great. They have a glow line that I'm obsessed with. They also have a blush bronzer duo that is absolutely good. Like everything, their brow pencil, like so many of their products are my favorites. So excited to see what they sent. So this is the Sugar Dr. Lip Scrub, okay, in peach. I love the scent of peach. So that actually sounds really nice. We have that in here. So excited about these. These are their Air Light lipsticks. I actually saw them talk about these on Instagram, and I thought they looked so pretty. First off, I've mentioned it 6,000 times. You guys are probably tired of hearing about it, but I love clear packaging. There's just something about clear packaging that is just like everything to me. So these are very luxe looking in their packaging here. It is an affordable brand as well. So I think they included like 9 shades total, so lots of different shades. So this is the Air Light lipstick. very sleek right here. Here's what it looks like. This color looks really pretty. So this one here is in the shade, this is Jet Setter, and it looks like almost like a matte bullet, like very matte. So let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, kind of swatch wise and how it looks, it kind of reminds me of like the Powder Kiss lipsticks from MAC. Like that's kind of like what I'm getting from like the formula, just swatched. I'd have to try it out. Doesn't have the same scent. MAC lipsticks, the Powder Kiss lipsticks, I really like those, but they have the weirdest smell to them, which I don't smell with this. So this actually might be a really good dupe. I might have to try that out and see if these are like as similar as I'm thinking they are, because like swatch wise and like looking at the bullet, it looks pretty similar. I'm gonna grab another one here. This one is in the shade Daydreamer. Ooh, this one is pretty, like a mauve pink. I love this type of color, especially for like just like the center of the lips. I feel like that is beautiful. Wow, I'm very curious to try this formula for sure and see, like I said, if it's comparable to those MAC ones, because I'm sure these are a fraction of the cost on those. So stay tuned for that. Maybe I'll do like a little side-by-side type of dupe video. I'm wanting to do like an actual dupes video, so maybe I'll plan one out on my channel if I can get these to see if they're similar. But thank you, Joao, for sending those. This is from Glow Recipe, and I see the avocado theme here, so I believe this is their new product. Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum. Glow Recipe is actually one of my favorite skincare brands. I love a lot of their products. I know they have their lip sleeping. This is the one, yeah. So this is the Avocado Melt Retinol Oil Eye Sleeping Mask. I have tried this one. It is nice. It's a little bit intense. I don't know if it's because it is the retinol, but I definitely feel like when I wake up, my eyes almost feel, I don't know how to describe it. You can tell it's doing something. It's not like a bad feeling, but it does feel like tight almost. But I don't know if that's like the retinol working, kind of like trying to get used to my skin with that. But I had to stop using it because you're not supposed to use retinol when you are pregnant. But I do want to continue using that because I was feeling like it was doing something. But here is the Avocado Ceramide Recovery Serum as well. Their packaging is just so pretty too. They have the most beautiful luxe packaging. So great that they included this. So let's see here what some of the claims are. So it says it's formulated to target dehydration, irritation, redness, and sensitivity. This is a milky texture that cocoons the skin to help protect, healing layer activities to return skin to its healthy looking equilibrium. So I'm not sure if this is like a resurfacing, it says recovery cream. So I'm not sure if this is like one of those like resurfacing type of products, so it might be a little intense. I'll have to try this, but it looks like the claims on here are really good, and it does say it's irritation and sensitive free, dryness, redness, hyperpigmentation, and it's good for all skin types. So it might not be as harsh as I'm thinking, but excited to try that one nevertheless. Okay, I see Real TECNEIQUES here up next. I'm excited to see what they sent over. I actually used one of their sponges today. It's kind of gross looking, but I love their makeup sponges. They're some of my favorite. I feel like this one's seen better days, so maybe there's a new sponge in here, but let's see. Aw, it looks like something personalized because I can see they like stuck my name here. But this is the wellness kit, 6 safe wellness kit. Aw, they put my initials. Cute, they're on the corner. So let's see what's inside of here. It has a little, aw, I love that. A little mask in here. That is adorable. That says Makeup Molly. Love that. That is so nice. And then also, let's see what else we have. Some hand sanitizer. These are like little towels. It looks like hand sanitizer. And then we have a facial tissue in here. And then also a little thing of hand sanitizer. And then a forehead thermometer. Oh, that's really nice, like to have on the go. Very cool. I love this. I wonder if they're like going to be like selling these. It says this is from the brand Pinch Provisions. But that's really cool. I love that they have all of that just like in a little kit. I could throw that like in my purse or in my car. I love that they little personalize the mask too, and pink is one of my favorite colors, so this is very cute. And then I'm dying to see what products. Ooh, brush and sponge cleansing gel. Okay, this has me excited. So this is a deep cleanse gel for cleaning your sponges and also your brushes. Yes, yes, yes. I love using products like this when I do clean, obviously my brushes, but also for my sponges. I feel like this will help. It says use weekly to help prevent buildup with any makeup or bacteria. So it says apply a drop of the shampoo onto a wet brush or blender and work in and lather. So perfect for those sponges. And then it also looks like they have a brush cleansing palette as well. So this is going to help to clean your brushes. So you're just going to put, probably just like drop a little bit of the soap in there and then swirl your brush in there. It'll work out perfectly for larger brushes and also smaller brushes. I like the size of this one. It's hard to tell what's in here because like there's so much fluff, so I'm literally just like kind of digging through here and seeing. But up next we have a instant brush cleaner. Ooh, I wonder how this one compares. I love the Cinema Secrets one. I've talked about that one a bunch, but it is pretty pricey. Like that one's pretty expensive. So this is like a spot treatment. So a spray that you can apply to your brushes. I wonder if it's like quick drying. I'm assuming because it says instant. Why don't we just try it? Let's try it. I mean, see if it works. So I'm gonna give a couple spritzes to this brush that's pretty dirty here. And I'm actually just gonna use my makeup eraser and see if it gets off the product here. And then if it is dry or not. It feels dry. Okay, this is gonna be like a dupe for the Cinema Secrets one because I'm sure it's a fraction of the cost. Look at how clean it got. And it's like completely dry, so you could directly go in and use that. These come in key, honestly, when you're doing your makeup. If you don't have a lot of brushes or you're like in between washes, just using these in between. If you need to switch colors, you want to use the same brush, so helpful. Especially great if you're traveling too, you can just kind of clean them really quickly as well. There is a new sponge in here as well. Like I said, one of my favorite sponges. I'm still digging here. This one is a premium sponge case. Ooh, speaking of traveling, this would be really nice. I like the color of this. So it's actually marble right here. So you can put your sponges in there. And I like that it has openings. So you can actually like let your sponge breathe. So this is a premium storage case. Protect and store your favorite makeup sponges on the go. It says the shatter resistant silicone keeps your miracle complexion sponge clean and protected in your makeup drawer or bag. So that's actually really cool. Perfect for travel whenever we can do that again. Or honestly, like sometimes I just throw them in my purse for like touch-ups. Okay, I'm like digging through this fluff, but I'm pretty sure I got to everything. I'll have to dump this out and make sure, but pretty sure that's everything. What a awesome package. Thank you, Real Techniques. Very great. I'll have everything linked down below that I can for you guys. I would definitely recommend checking this out though, because that seemed like it worked really well. Again, that's the Instant Brush Cleaner. I was actually talking about this brand in last week's PR unboxing, and I think I couldn't remember for the life of me what the name of the brand was. Remember when I opened those Physicians Formula package and I was like saying how there's a brand whose hand sanitizer I've been using a bunch, but I couldn't remember, and it came to me right after I finished filming, of course. But it is the brand MERCI Handy, and they actually sent over another package. So these smell so good. If you aren't like into the regular like hand sanitizer smell, you will absolutely love these. So this is a rainbow, it looks like, full of hand sanitizer. This is like the best gift right now, I feel like. So the flavors, we have Mystic Fruit, Namaste, Costa Rica, Into the Wild, Hello Sunshine, Dulce Vita, Cherry, Flower Power. I think the ones that I have in my car is Namaste, and I think I have this one too, the Mystic Fruits. I'm not kidding you guys, like they smell so good, and they also kind of like smell up my car as well, so I'll just like pop that on and then my car smells nice. They're really good. And then it looks like they sent, oh, this is cute, a little rainbow holder to put it in. You can put this like on your purse or on your backpack or whatever. And let's see if they have a price on here. I hope you enjoyed the Magical Rainbow hand sanitizer. We've teamed up with the LGBTQ+ youth organization It Gets Better project to help bring the fabulous colors of the rainbow back in everyday life, and we're giving back. So a portion of the sales from this co-branded set will be donated to supporting organizations and efforts to grow the community and empower the LGBTQ+ youth. I love that. So it says rainbows and unicorns, so I know that's like their whole vibe of the brands. They have really cute stuff. So I love that they're including that. Let me see how much that retails for if I can find it. Okay, so it's $35 for the full set plus free shipping. So that's great. And then also a portion of that is going obviously towards the LGBTQ+ community, which is great. So love that. And those are like really good. I know it's like weird because it's like hand sanitizer, but I'm telling you guys, the small things like that make such a big difference. Like just the smell of something not being so like every time you have to put it on, just because we all have to put it on. It's just makes a small difference with it actually being something I enjoy doing. We have a little package here from Pixi next. It says 3 steps to glowy skin, and it looks like they sent over a bag. Actually, this is like a backpack. I feel like brands don't normally send backpacks. That's kind of fun. It's a really pretty green backpack, very cute. So it has this little pouch on the inside that has the products. You have Pixi right here, so let's see what they sent. Have their glycolic body lotion. This is the exfoliating body lotion. And then we have the glycolic body peel here as well. And then we lastly had the body wash. So this is an exfoliating body wash. So all of those products sound great, especially for pregnancy. I feel like my skin is so dry and just like dehydrated right now that anything that's going to help kind of like revamp my skin, I'm definitely into. So it's doing it in like 3 steps. So step 1 is going to be to use the body wash. Then you're going to use the body peel, and then the body lotion. So it says it helps to exfoliate, brighten, smooth, and hydrate. It says that ginseng improves circulation and energizes, smooths, and softens. So probably really great for stretch marks as well, which I know I have a lot of right now, so this will be great for that. So I'll definitely throw these in my shower. I like that it's a 3-step system too, so kind of like a little pamper night there. I'm going to show you guys this cute package here from Florence by Mills. I love her products. I always feel like they're so fun and just innovative, and this is her new skincare. So this is the skincare mix right here from Florence. So she has 2 products in here that aren't new, and then there is a new product. So we have the Get the Grime Face Scrub. This is an exfoliant. It's really nice. You're just kind of helping, you know, revive the skin, get rid of any dead cells or anything like that. And then we have her Dreamy Dew Facial Moisturizer. Again, a nice moisturizer. And then the new product, these Pimple Patches. I actually used these the other day, and I thought they were really nice. I liked them a lot. There's not too many in here. Like, I think it has 36 total, but they are the cutest little patches. Like, look at how cute they are. So there's little whales, which whales are like her main thing of her line. Like, I was on a Zoom with her once, and she was just kind of talking about how she has like a strong connection to whales, so she has a lot of those in her line. But we have the whales, and we also have some clouds, and then also some butterflies. I just thought those were cute. So they are little dots. I think these are salicylic, I'm guessing. I think it's what they normally have in there. So peppermint oil, salicylic acid, tea tree oil to help tackle the dark spots. These are supposed to help seal the bacteria, helps remove the dirt, oils, imperfections to create a smoother looking appearance. So these are just worn like overnight. It says to wear them for 8 hours. I actually had one right here that was pretty evident, and I put this on it, and it really did help. I'm getting one like up here as well, so I might add a couple tonight, but kind of helps to just like soak everything out and really kind of just like dry up the acne spots. And I have been getting quite a few breakouts this pregnancy, so I will be using these for sure. I did do an Instagram video with them, so that'll be going up on my Instagram soon if you want to see like all the products together, the cute little video that I filmed there. Okay, I think we just have one more box here, and this is from Huda Beauty. And it's a little bubble mailer here. I like that she puts these in here. So these are actually from her brand WISHFUL, which is her skincare brand. And these are her new Eye Lift and Snatch Instant Sculpting Masks. So they are eye masks. And she has her chin mask, and that actually works really well. I know I've gotten questions about that, like, does it work? I've used it. I don't have any in my collection anymore because I've used them both, but it actually works really well. Like, you can feel a difference in your jaw after you use it. So I'm excited that she now came out with eye patches. So these are the Eye Lift and Snatch Instant Sculpting Masks. So there's quite a few in here. It looks like each one has 1 pair, but I think they sent over 5, it looks like, total. So I'll be sure to try these. It says gentle, simple, effective. So these will help lift the area, reduce puffiness, awake appearance, and brighten the dark circles. I love eye patches. I swear by them because they have made such a difference in my life in general, because I feel like being a mom and obviously now expecting another baby, I feel like I'm just always trying to catch up on everything. And for me, sometimes sleep is one of those things that, you know, loses in the juggling of everything. And so something like that is really great for if you're just having like a day where you need to depuff, throw those on in the morning. It really helps. I'll try these ones, but I have so many other ones that I love. Pathology has really great ones. I'm trying to think of all the other brands, like so many brands. Milk Makeup has really good ones. I like the Pop Beauty ones. So definitely eye patches are key in my life. But after that, you guys, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing. I feel like we had some really fun packages. We actually had a lot of makeup and skincare and just some fun stuff. We had Samantha's collab, which I'm so excited about. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this week's PR haul. Stay tuned for Monday. I have the video with Samantha's collection going up, and I also have some other fun things planned for you guys next week too. So I will see you then. Take care. Don't forget to subscribe before you go. Bye, guys.